This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap. Markets closed basically unchanged today. The Nasdaq closed higher by 5.5 points at 25.92, while the Dow Jones lost 16 to 13,291. The S&P 500 bucked the trend a little bit and closed at 1471, higher by only 0.7 of a point. Oil prices reached a new all-time intraday high after finishing at a record close in the previous session on supply worries. An announced increase in the output by the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries failed to still the market's concerns about the ability of producers to meet strong winter demand in the final quarter. Light sweet crude oil for October delivery added 61 cents to $78.99 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. A senior International Monetary Fund official said the U.S. economy will slow next year amid continued trouble in the housing market, likely leading to lower interest rates. Simon Johnson, director of the IMF's research department, said fallout from the subprime credit crisis hasn't yet been resolved, and the IMF doesn't understand why tight financial markets continue. Johnson predicted that the impact of the lending crisis in the subprime mortgage market in the United States will be limited outside the Americas. According to the National Association of Realtors, the U.S. housing industry is in for a much deeper downturn as it slashed its forecast for home sales and constructions for this year and next. Lawrence Yun, senior economist for the National Association of Realtors, said tight credit conditions will likely postpone the recovery even further. Stocks in the news. Texas Instrument expects third quarter earnings to come in on the higher end of the range it had previously forecast. In a mid-quarter update, the company said earnings would come in between 49 and 53 cents per share on revenue between 3.5 and 3.7 billion. Analysts expected earnings of 49 cents per share. Scheduled economic reports for Thursday include initial jobless claims for the week of September 8th and the federal budget for the month of August. Earnings reports for Thursday include the OSI Restaurant, Spartech Corp, Weyerhaeuser Group, Farmer Brothers, Global Telecommunications, and Optical Cable Corp. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.